To Portland. We are here to see my sister and my brother and his family.
My aunt and uncle and my cousin.
A good week of family time and adventure. I was wondering where she went. It's a rebel boy! Hi, bud! Oh my goodness, hello, surprise! Hi, baby! Oh, he's so happy. Look like a lot, but it looks delicious. Woo! Well, it's big, but it's good.
It's cool, right?
Now you're gonna look, throw it like a frisbee from the side. It's kind of gonna go like that. Oh, see, that's gonna go straight down, and you want to glide it across the water. But
Look at
that would be good. Okay. Well, we really have no idea where we're at or what we're doing. We just said we were gonna go find something cool and find an adventure, and we found a pond full of swans. Look at the swans.
Listen.
There's like 100 of them at least. Look at them.
At least. Come on over this way. Fun. It's raining.
We are hanging out today while Emily's at work, and tonight my brother and his, sister-in-law and Emily's gonna be here. I'm gonna make dinner for them.
Us.
We'll make dinner for them. You have chocolate on your nose, love. Right now we are preparing dessert first though, because that's the most important part. We're making chocolate covered fruit. So we got some strawberries, apples, bananas. We're currently dipping them, and we're gonna start cooking dinner in a little bit here and have another night filled with family. We're having an excellent trip so far. Amelia and I have had a great day. We're up really early to take Emily to work, and then we stopped off at like this little marsh area that had some trails, and we got to walk around and got to, there's like a little beachy area. And nice. We just did some exploring, which was so fun. And then we went to the grocery store to get everything that we needed, and now we're hanging out.
So I just finished the strawberries and now I am doing the apples. Just dipping the half of it.
Okay, now we're doing the bananas, but it's a little slippery sucker, so. Oh, come on. Oh, it's got a lot of chocolate. That's a thick boy. Here we go. How cute, love it. All done. How do they look?
I'd say good.
Good? All right. Yummy.
Oh, I thought you said cables.
No, put the candle.
Sorry, I needed a quick shot. Amelia's eating macaroni and cheese. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm happy for myself.
We are here at the Oregon Zoo today. We're gonna walk around and check out the animals. We're so excited. Amelia's never been to a zoo before, so this is a brand new experience for
I've only ever been to aquariums. A lot of aquariums.
Yep. So welcome to the Oregon Zoo with us.
This one's coming. They're so cute.
So laughable. Give me a hee-haw. Ready? We're gonna ride off into the sunset. How big is it?
I don't know. I want to see. Compared to my hand.
He is precious. What you doing, bud?
Just watching the cheetah.
Alright, here's one.
Is that my spud cat?
That is.
I'm coming back for you, baby. I'll kiss you, but I just wash my hands.
Bye.
I am so my mother's child. My cheeks are so cold.
I am completely in my element right now. It is cold and it is wet, but I just feel so happy to be walking among the nature, obviously in the houses. But it just feels so nice. And look at this tree. I had to stop and appreciate it. The video doesn't do justice. It's absolutely massive. And she's stunning and beautiful. I just think those people are so fortunate to have that tree right in their yard. Anyways, it's Sunday. We've not done very much today at all. We laid around home and relaxed and stayed cozy. And then we did end up going to Trader Joe's, but that is all we've done today. So Amelia and I headed out for a little bit. We've been on a walk. We played at a playground. Just appreciating the fresh air. It feels so freaking good. So yeah, I just wanted to check in. We have 2 days left to go and we're having a great time spending quality time with family, and it's been wonderful.
This part. So I got one of these drinks. I don't know what they're called, but I got one of them and I've always seen them don't know what they are, it has a little marble up here, and it comes with this. All you need is the inside part though, so you're gonna need to pop that part out. And then you put it right up here. You go like that.
How's it taste?
It tastes, I can't taste it.
Alright, maybe take another step.
So, as you can see, the marbles.
Whoa!
But the bad part is you can never get the marble out.
Your food looks good. We are out chasing waterfalls this morning, you guys, and we found our first one after a little bit of a drive. Because I don't know where I'm at, but it was totally worth the wait. We made it. We are here, and we are immersed in the nature. Made it to Multnomah Falls, which is absolutely incredible. But we can't help but think of Katie while we're here because they have a gift shop. So we're just we're walking around saying gift shop, gift shop, gift shop.
That's why I love you, Katie. I don't want to go all the way up.
It's so clear. You guys, it is wet, it's cold, and we are freezing, but we are so happy to be here. Just in the presence of Mother Nature, in the presence of Mother Earth. It feels so good. I can't even explain to you. I just feel alive. What a time to be alive, you know? I'm almost out of breath. I'm just happy. How can you be amongst this much nature and not just absolutely be completely grateful?
That's a big footprint. Bigfoot is a thing here.
What?
That's a big footprint and Bigfoot is a thing here.
Well, I don't know. I think he has a bigger foot than that. We are headed home today, and we're just out here soaking up as much of this as we can before we go back to the dust and the pollution.
The clouds.
Home.